This video will show the basic installation of this bipolar ionization device from iAire. When opening the box, you will notice a small brush on top, which should be saved for maintenance and cleaning. Remove the device and look inside for the installation manual. The basic household tools required include a 5/16" socket with a nut driver for access to the cabinet if yours is bolted. You may also use a crescent wrench. A small flathead screwdriver, 2 sheet metal screws, self-tapping if they're available. Possible option, depending on the distance of your electrical run, you may need to have a bit of 18-gauge wire in red and black available at any hardware store. If so, you will need 2 wire nuts and a wire stripper. If you don't have self-tapping screws, you may need a drill or small hammer to punch through the cabinet and get the screws started. Step 1. Find the power shutoff for your furnace and blower unit. This is normally mounted by the cabinet next to the unit and may be a light switch, a plug, or a power shutoff handle. Next, evaluate your unit to locate the ideal placement for the ionization device. It's important that the device be mounted after the filter to allow maximum ion distribution directly into the fan and ductwork. The closer you can mount to the blower, the better. To install the device, simply screw the ionization block directly onto the wall in your air exchange. When mounting into a metal cabinet, if you are not using self-tapping screws, you may need to use a drill or small hammer to punch through the cabinet and get the screws started. The fourth step is to run your wires and make the connection. A little slack is good, but avoid wires that are loose and can be sucked into the fan. Use a zip tie to secure the wiring. Also, avoid tight wiring, which may result in wires becoming dislocated during the vibration of normal running. If the wire run is short, add a little extra wiring by using the wire nuts. Finally, avoid running wires near pipes or coils. Secure your wires in a way that avoids wiring close to any exposed thermal tubing. The final step is making the connection to the C and G terminals on your control board. These are always labeled, and it doesn't matter which color goes on which terminal. Just make sure you land the red or black on the C and G terminals. That will activate the ionization device whenever your fan is turned on. Now you can return power to the unit and turn on the fan at the thermostat. You should see the green light illuminate, letting you know ions are being produced. The fan should be set to the on position for constant ionization. A fan in the auto setting will only activate ionization during periods of heating or cooling. After confirming all connections are made and the wiring is safely secured in your cabinet, you can close the unit. If you have any questions, please refer to your installation instructions, or you can visit our website at www.myiaire.com.